cap, I'll forget that. Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome to Airplanes UK. We're doing 2-6 left departures from the field. So, as you can see there, we're going to get the overheads. A lot of overhead departures, and yes, I timed this pretty well. I didn't time the weather well, but I timed this well. Because that really looks clogged, doesn't it? But it's not clogged at all. This is going to be cool, man. This is going to be good. This is going to get very interesting. Right. I spoke to Plane Hub TV and he said, "Oh, what are you doing this time?" And I said, "I'm going to do something I haven't done before." And he said, "Oh wait, I'm just going to wait for you to post it." And I'm not actually going to post it because I'm just going to upload it. Because considering that last commentary, 111 views in 4 days. You lot really enjoyed that, didn't you? So, I'm going to bring you another one, but this time from the field. You've got your old departures and arrivals from 26L. Let me get this arrival, bro. I was told it was going to rain today, and it did, badly. Heavy rain, it was lovely, but equally, it was supposed to rain now, and it isn't. Oh, you can quite see the crab on that, can't you? Retard. 5. Oh, nice. Smooth. Air China. A350. Oh, that's going to make noise, man. That's going to make noise. Right, you saw the ATR. However, you're going to see some of the big jets first. And I'm going to show you this beautiful, the sound this will make, man. And it was a Eurowings. Eurowings A319? That's an A319, isn't it? It's got to be. That is, yeah, that is an A319. Right. Give us the noise, 350. I've got bugs all over me, cap. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. Right, bring the noise. Wow. I don't know how to regulate my emotions there. Wow, that was good, wasn't it? That was amazing. That was really good. I love that. And yes, it's EasyJet just landed straight after. Oh look, look. I know I should be back on the runway. Actually, no, I can do what I want with this camera. Look. Look at that banking, man. Look at that banking. Where is it even? Oh, look there. Absolutely beautiful banking there, bro. Wow. It's really good. Is that a 220? I think that is a 220. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. I have never seen a 220 overhead. Never seen it. Well, I've never seen a 220 take off overhead. So we're going to hear what that sounds like. Well, you've probably heard it, but I have not heard it before. So we're going to get what it sounds like today. Now, let's give it a listen. It looks like a flipping toy, doesn't it? It's tiny, it looks like a toy, but that is massive up close. Well, there it is. That's what a 220 sounds like taking off overhead. It sounds clean, actually. It sounds very clean. Sounds very clean. Hold a minute, let me quickly do my shoelaces. Hold on, wait there. Let me just give it a good view. Right. Wait there. It sounds like they're celebrating something. Okay, right. British Airways A320. This tripod is acting like me old tripod. Can you behave, please? Thank you. Right, so a little update thing, okay? I've seen this position from other YouTubers, right? I'm not going to say their names, because then technically they could thingy me, you know, like whatever. But I have seen departures from this location. I thought, well, that's good, isn't it? So I thought I'd come and give it to you lot from Edplanes UK. You know, considering the last video, if I haven't mentioned it, got 111 views. Probably even more than that now. I won't be arrogant. I'm not zooming in fully. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a 21. That's why it looked like a near tail strike. Well, the flipping 21's allowed as well, isn't they? Bloody hell, I'd like to know how a Neo sounds flying over. Flipping heck. Oh. Oh. Is that a takeoff? It looks like a landing. Yeah, it was a landing. I heard the sound of LEAP engines and I thought, well, that's, you know, the sound of a 737 would be flipping loud as well. I had to move further down to the side of the runway because otherwise I would have had to push my camera way too far up to get the takeoffs, well, the overhead departures. Right, actually, take a look at this real quick for me. Look at the perspective. It looks so high. It's so high compared to... It almost looks like that's just... like, mate, that is unbelievably high. Like, do you know what I mean? Right. I'm hearing all these overhead departures for the first time, so I want to listen to how the 737s sound now. Let's listen to it together. In the name of aviation. That was a lot louder than I thought it was going to be. Wow. That was... Sorry. That was surprising. Alright, mate, that sounds loud, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Do you know what? Because the thing is, right, the 737s always sound loud. It doesn't matter whether they're it doesn't matter whether they're taxiing, taking off, flipping, landing, they're always loud. But if you're at the crash gate, they're small as hell. Well, they're not small, they're quiet. Especially the Maxes. Is that a heavy, by the way? No, it's not. That would be loud, though, because it's got the thingy engines. I need to educate myself on what those engines are. I have no idea. Is that Corendon? Sorry, is that Corendon? That is Corendon Airlines. Yeah, it is. Right, well... Oh, I forgot. I thought it was a 78. I thought it was a 737. That's a 787. That'd be loud. I thought it was a 737, but no. I don't know how these sound either, though, because they're the smaller 320 with these engines. I mean, they might be the same engines, though. Don't know. We'll have to have a listen. I don't know how I'm going to control... I don't know how I'm going to... This might be too vertical for me tripod, but I'm going to give it a go. Oh, I've zoomed out a bit, didn't I? Sorry. Right, let's give it a go. My hand is shaking! No! That was very vertical for me. That was too vertical. Wow. If you could see my, if the camera was shaking, wow, look at it go through the clouds. Well, redeem yourself there, man. Flipping heck. I keep moving the camera up to see that banking there as well. Okay, let's have a look back at the runway. Back at the runway. See you later, another max landing. 20s. That's a 737. Should I do the 26L overhead departures again? Should I do that? Because I'm enjoying this. I don't know about you, I'm having a good time. You can see the train behind it as well. That's on the thingy bobby. the train track. What else could it possibly be? That doesn't look safe, does it? I mean, wow, look. Taking off, landing, and then the one up there as well. That's very interesting. It's very, it's a cool perspective, isn't it? Right, please don't be too vertical as well. Right, this one don't look to be too vertical. Yeah, he's vertical as well. Bloody hell. Oh, God. Okay, every time I look back, I'm just gonna zoom out so that you can still see the plane when I'm... Right, I'm looking at it again now. There you go. Yeah, tell me if you want to see overhead departures again. Because this is very interesting. Well, not interesting, it's fun. This is fun. Crank everything up, even if it's your hearing aids. Crank every... Can you crank up hearing aids? Obviously I don't have hearing aids. I don't know. I want to know now, can you crank up hearing aids? Because this is going to be loud. Going to be very loud. Crank your headphones up. Crank your earbuds up, or your AirPods, whatever it is. Crank your TV bass things up. Just any volume you have, crank it up. Maybe don't crank it up to full if you're watching this when everyone else is asleep, because I know different time zones, but have it loud enough, because this is going to be good, man. Wow, look at the shining on that. It's like it's going to heaven. That was shining, man. That was like fully, that was like, when you go into the adjustments, when you go into the editing, that was like, through the clouds. That's cool, man. That is cool. Look at that, man. Turning. Still not through the clouds yet. And he's still not gone. No, he'll go through the clouds eventually, don't worry. Right, I need to have a look at what just landed. Let's look at it together. Oh, it was an EasyJet 320. Oh, okay. Slight waste of my time. I'm joking. All planes will be filmed with enthusiasm. Especially the heavies. Because the heavies just have some kind of special life to them, you know? That's a Neo. EasyJet Neo. Probably a 321 Neo, I don't know, I can't see 100% well. vertical again, for God's sake. Oh, I did it though. I managed it though. Oh, sorry. No, I didn't look the other way. I will now. Hold on. Yep, no, they're just all landings, okay. To be fair, they were. I did show you the landings, didn't I? I did. Can you hear me? I did show you the landings, didn't I? I love this tripod. This tripod is very useful for the stuff I want to do with it. There. Right, let's see this Neo. Yeah, see, look, it was a 21 Neo. I did suspect 21. Nice. Right. We didn't get a Wizz Air in the last one. Look how quickly he's spinning it. Well, quick. I want to get it quick. Where is he? He was spinning quick though. I couldn't get it. I'm so sorry about that. That looks dangerous, doesn't it? It all looks dangerous. It's because of the perspective. Right, let's have a look. Listen to the A321neo. LXR, I think it is. Flight, sorry. Well, 21 Neo sounds good as well, doesn't it? Right, let's have a look at what we've got now. Triple set. I hope that takes off. I hope that's departing. Oh, that'll make noise. Crank everything. Oh, he's next as well, because he's get... Right. Crank everything up. Actually, he's not next because he's going to land first. Crank everything up. I said it for the 787. I'm saying it for the 777. Crank everything up. Headphones, TV, just everything. Again, be considerate of your time zone because it might be. Wow, he's really crabbing it. Wow, look at him. He's crabbing, man. Look at that. Well, he's not. Well. I suppose you could argue he's not crabbing that much, but he is controlling that. I'm not flexing. We have two 777s. Two 777s, one after the other. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is going to be so good, man. Look, let me show you, look. Look, watch. 777 and a 777 there as well. They're both get ready for this, man. Also, that's a 200ER, isn't it? Get ready for this. I haven't heard it overhead, but I just know. Wow. Get ready, guys. People, just get ready. One after they're both in a row. Two 777s in a row, man. Get ready, he's coming. Duh, 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 duh. Right, get ready. Here you go, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Yeah, man! And there you go. There's the engine. There's the engine. There's the throttle reduction, so the engines don't overstress. Quick look back. And the propeller plane, well, the ATR, that has just landed. And there will be a 787 after it. This is mainly departures, but we are getting the arrivals as well. Especially considering from the crash gate, you wouldn't be able to see the turn-off, which is what I should make merch, shouldn't I, and just put on it. We haven't seen, because from the crash gate you can't see the rollout, the exit. Oh, I thought there was a plane on the runway. There's about to be this 787. Look at this coming in. Look at the wing flex on that. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5. Spoilers. Reversiers. Put the nose down, mate. Trying to put the nose down. He's holding that up, isn't he? Oh no, it's down. He's down. He's down. And there's the sound of the reversers. Didn't have it on for long though, did he? A 787-8, because look, it's not very big, is it? Well, it's colossal, but in terms of the length of the aircraft. Look what's next. Look what's next, guys. Our beloved 777. It's an old 777. No, it is an old 777 200ER. For some reason, I'm losing my knowledge on aircraft. I know it's an old aircraft. Get ready for this. Air peace. Considering the airline is air peace, but the sound ain't peaceful, is it? Well, in terms of enjoying the sound. It is peaceful. Could you imagine how crazy we'd look to somebody who's not interested in planes? Listens to the sound of that and just looks at us going, ah, what a lovely day to be alive. They're like, how can you enjoy the sound of that? Because it's a 777 engine. It's beautiful. Okay, so what's going to happen is we're going to get the Turkish afterwards, it seems. Well, I'm looking with my eyes, not the camera. And then we're going to go because half an hour we've been going for. Right, let's get the Turkish. Right then, guys. Thank you for watching Ed Planes UK, and I will see you in the next one. Please tell me if you want to see this view again from this position. Tell me. Now we'll see you in the next commentary. Goodbye. Okay, right now that's done.